We will go with our regular agenda. Let me share this.
Happy Guru Purnima.
Screen is visible to everyone?
Yes,
Okay. So, first of all, happy Guru Purnima to all of you.
thank you and happy
You
Guru
too, sir.
Purnima.
No. We'll go with our regular agenda, whatever we are doing on every Sunday. So, first of all, we will go with our mindset discussion. So, as I mention every time, that we are focusing more on these 5 mindsets. First one is having an active income. So, active income is supporting us to fulfill our day-to-day requirements, as well as help us to ride our position for a long duration of time. If we are solely dependent on the trading as our source of income or to fulfill our requirements, there is a possibility that we may miss many multi-baggers, or we may book losses in many positions because of the requirement of the fund for to fulfill our requirement. So this is what the importance of having active income in our mindset. The second thing is the learning, continuous learning the new things and implement those things. Only learning will not help you out to be expert. So unless and until whatever you will learn, if you will not going to implement those things in your life, whether it will be related with your professional life or with your trading strategies, whatever you are learning, if you are not implementing those things in your life, that learning will be of no use. Similar way, the rules for the life or for the trading. So we all have some rules for our life also and for trading also. So hope you all are aligned with your trading rules. If anyone is still struggling to develop his or her own rules for the trading, he or she may connect with me. I will try to develop that things. Next is having a morning routine. So wealth without health is of no use. So we must have focus on our health also. And the morning time is the best time to focus on our health. So it depends on you, whatever is the best preferred for you, whether it is morning walk or it is a meditation or going to gym, whatever is suits you. But you must have to focus on your health also. And the last one is having a goal in life. So life without goal is of no use. So this is what the mindset we are discussing every Sunday, and the kind of goals which we must have in our life. So that goal must have a smart. A smart means having a specific goal which can be measurable, which can be achievable also, realistic, and there should be time bound also. Without having a timeline for the particular goal, we will not have the value for that goal. So hope you all are aligned with your goals, and all of your goals must be smart goals. Is anyone still not have his or her goal card, or all are with aligned with their goals? All are have your goals?
Yes,
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now, yeah. Now let's go to the market, where the market is moving. So we'll discuss on the Nifty 50, mid cap index and small cap index first. So if we see the Nifty 50 index, it is just crossed our superhero band yesterday's session. So there are chances, if we look at the type of the candle, the type of the candle is also bullish, bearish engulfing, and it is close below our superhero band. So there are chances that Nifty 50 index can correct for 2-3 days. But if we see the long-term trend of this Nifty 50, is showing a big strength. Looking at the red cloud, the size of the red cloud is suggesting that there is still a strong uptrend is there in Nifty 50, but we have to respect our exit system. So as per our exit system, whatever stocks you are holding from the large cap, and it is for the short term, then follow the daily chart. Or if it is your core portfolio items are there, then you follow your exit strategy on the weekly chart. If you see at the Nifty mid cap, last week also we have seen that it is just moving along with the superhero band. But since last 2 days, it is closing below the superhero band and given exit from most of the stocks from the mid cap sector. But the same case in again here also. If you see the long term trend, the red cloud size of the red cloud is still suggesting there is some big move is pending. So we can see some correction, but as soon as the reversal will start, we'll get most of the stocks in our reversal screen. So whenever the reversal will start, just focus on the reversal screen and you will get a trade prior to others will get the opportunity to enter. Similar way, Nifty small case also having the same kind of setup as we discussed in the Nifty mid cap. It is given exit, but long-term trend is still stuck there. So we can identify some trade which will get reversal or the stocks which will have good strength on the long-term chart will bounce back fast. So all these stocks which will start to reverse, we will get all the stocks in our reversal screen prior to any other will get. So we now keep more focus on the reversal screen rather than screen of the this intraday or the swing. Now most of the stocks will come in our reversal screen. So from now onward, we need to keep more focus on our champions reversal screen. Now some index which are still above our superhero band, those are Nifty IT, though it is close near to the day low, but still it is above our superhero band. So we can see some good movement in IT stocks in coming week. Similar way, FMCG also having the same kind of setup, though it is close in red, but it is trending above our superhero band. So stocks from FMCG sector and IT sector will bounce prior to any other sector. And the third one is service sector. So these three index I am finding good enough for the next week. Rest most of the stocks are having the bullish engulfing candle not only on the daily chart, but on the weekly chart also there are bearish engulfing candles. You can see on the various charts. Anyone has any doubt or any query till here? Okay. So now let's go for the success part. So last week's success is MCX. Though it is come back to the same position from where we have started. We have catch this stock at PH07. It goes up to 4050. And again, it is came near to our entry point. So whatever I had mentioned today's session also, that whenever stock is coming on the reversal, we stick with your entry or exit criteria. So those who have position, I hope all have booked their position in MCX when it started to reverse. Same setup in Parag Milk, but the Parag Milk is showing some good price volume extensions last 2-3 days, and still it is not given exit on daily chart. So we can keep riding it. Similar way, Stride Pharma also we catch on the daily chart, and still it is not given any exit. So on daily chart, these two positions we can continue. Now some failure cases are there. SW Electricals, Fair India, and Exide Industries. The please start with I have said which failed or given exit. So first we will go with the SW Electric. So we catch these stocks here at 1244, and it is given exit at 1210. So almost 34 rupees or 3% stop loss was triggered. If we see the failure reason for the failure, though the stock was in consolidation, and blue and red cloud was merged, and RSI also in the positive side. The only thing which was not meeting the criteria was the DI positive and DI negative crossover. So having failure in life is okay, but if we are not analyzing the thing for the failures, it is then we will not going to improve ourselves. So always try to analyze your failures also. So this is one case where we failed. Same was happened in Share India Securities also. After this green candle, when this candle was forming, I have given that it is showing some reversal. And the RSI was meeting, but same case, DI positive and DI negative was missing, and the stock has given big fall along with the market. And the third one is Exide Industries. We case this yesterday in the morning when it is just started to cross above this, and RSI was just turning from 50, was reversing from the 50. And this DI was also in the positive side till yesterday morning. But by the end of the day, it is also given the exit. So these are the failure case for last week. Apart from this, there was one big failure has happened in Cabra. So those who have traded Cabra, we caught it on the hourly chart, but the daily chart was also seems good. So I had asked some people who were connected with me for the Cabra, so I asked them to hold this stock for the day chart. But suddenly on Friday, the result has came, and the stock has fallen 18% in 1 hour. Though we got almost 10 to 11% profit, but that 11% profit has become 10% negativity. So it is a part of the trading. Next week's watch list is, hope all of you have got this watch list. If anyone is not aware with the watch list which I have shared, I will share once again in our WhatsApp group. Now I am open for the question and answer, and we all are open for discussion. If anyone has any thoughts to discuss or anything wants to discuss, or can we go for the watch list I have shared so we can
सर
yes.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर कि जो एक्साइड इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री था सर, वो एक बार दिखाएंगे? वो मुझे लगता नहीं कि प्रॉपर एंट्री था, तो वो क्यों, मतलब किस बेसिस पे एंट्री है? क्योंकि वो सुपर हीरो बैंड के नीचे था और आरएसआई वाज टर्निंग डाउन and DI positive also was turning down.
It was.
And what was the reason of entry?
Okay, let me open the chart.
जेपी, आपको तिजोरी का सब्सक्रिप्शन चाहिए था, आपने ग्रुप में डाला था।
सर मुझे तिजोरी का सब्सक्रिप्शन ही नहीं चाहिए, साथ में तिजोरी में बैठने वाला भी एक आदमी चाहिए। राजकुमार सर आफ्टर लंच जो है बैठेंगे, तो आप भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा, तो वी विल डिस्कस ऑन ज्योति सीएनसी।
ओके।
See, when we have discussed this, Exide.
Yes, sir.
So Exide came into our reversal screen in the morning itself when this big candle was formed.
On hourly chart.
On hourly chart, so it was above this, and this everything was positive because reversal screen we used to check on the hourly chart. So this was positive side. It is crossed above, and the volume was also good. So I had given, then it is given exit soon. Again it is given try to come back, again fall down. So on hourly chart, on reversal screen, it was giving entry as per the various things. But we have to respect exit also.
You took a position just before close of the day.
No, I have not took position, and I have not made any position yesterday. This chart I had shared yesterday when it was came into our reversal screen. But it was failure, so we need to discuss why we failed. See, unless and until we are not going to analyze our failures, we will not learn how to get winners in future.
Right.
आपने जब रिवर्सल में डाला था तो उस समय ए में भी रेड था और कैंडल भी रेड थी, बहुत सारे।
At 565 when the stock was here. So if we see this candle, so all things were meeting. The RSI was above, and this DI positive was also crossed out.
तो सडनली मार्केट डाउन हुआ, इसलिए नीचे आ गया ये।
Yes.
Otherwise, it was a good entry.
So, but ultimately failure is failure.
Failure is failure. Yes, sir.
And this is the list of next week. So if anyone has any doubts, see all the stocks which I have shared are looks good on the daily chart itself. So try to go with the daily chart. If anyone want to discuss any of these stocks, then we can have a discussion.
GEPL has a big fall, isn't it?
Yeah, but it took support somewhere and then it started to move above.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
And this 5% stocks will always have the same kind of thing. But if you see on the weekly chart, it is good enough. It took the support at our superhero band and it started to reverse.
It may create an N pattern.
Yeah.
This weekly, okay.
Yeah.
So
Daily पे N pattern बन रहा है.
Yeah. And on daily it is making N pattern. It corrected and it started to move. But if you see the weekly chart, it is just took the support. See, it is in strong uptrend. If we see the chart,
yeah.
it is in a strong uptrend.
Uh-huh.
So the low patience investor is given up when this stock started to give lower circuit.
Mhm.
But it is ultimately going to make a big circle of this. This stock used to trade in around at 1400 rupees in one time of life, 1800, 1200 rupees. So it is
Mhm.
making this cup. So ultimately you can see this 931 or best possible is this 830.
Mhm.
But it will check patience also. So always whenever there is a fall, you can make a position.
So this is on daily, right? You want
Daily still it is not given entry, sir. See,
तो फिर
whatever stocks were come in various streams, I check on the various charts and selected some good stocks which looks good for long term also.
तो इसको daily watch करो until the time it gives an entry on
No,
a daily
sir,
time
already
frame.
it is given entry on the weekly. This was came into the positional dashboard. So from positional dashboard, I have selected this. And if you see on the weekly chart, it is took support on the, and still the risk is very low, 442. So on weekly chart, we can go with 6-7% of risk.
पर आपका DI तो RSI तो नीचे जा रहा है ना?
RSI just touch and it will go. Sir, still it is above 60.
हाँ, but overbought range में भी जा रहा है.
Overbought से correct हुआ है, अब
Correct.
reverse होना चाहिए. Because
On
ADS
daily chart, we can enter on N pattern basis only.
Yeah.
क्योंकि N pattern के हिसाब से इसने रिवर्सल दिया है प्राइमरी उससे.
And it took supported 50, RSI
Yes.
50, it is took the support and now it is started to move.
Yes, और RDI नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव का भी क्रॉसओवर होने की उम्मीद है. वॉल्यूम इज आल्सो गुड. इट में क्रिएट अ पैराबोलिक वॉल्यूम.
तो मतलब अगर वीकली पे it is looking good, take entry and then follow on a daily basis, correct?
Yeah. And whatever stocks are I had sorted here, na, all are seems good or in stage 2 only. If we go with the this click, just see the monthly chart. On monthly chart, it is just taking reversal. And again, some stories are moving that now US is banning pharma sector. Bans are imposing on the China by US. So Indian pharma sector is going to boom. So this is one API manufacturing company. And if we see the volume of yesterday, it is highest volume in last 1 year.
एंड API मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए गवर्नमेंट भी बहुत बुलिश है और गवर्नमेंट भी बहुत सपोर्टिव है. सेक्टर टेलविंड आल्सो ओवर देयर.
So ultimately we can get 25 to 30% return easily here. And on monthly chart also it is promising actually. It is a complete core kind of stock. So this may make a rounding bottom. And then it will start again. It is moving like this only.
सर आफ्टर द कोविड जो है गवर्नमेंट को जैसे डिफेंस पे फोकस है ना, उसी तरीके से एपीआई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पे भी फोकस गवर्नमेंट का गया है. क्योंकि नेक्स्ट जो वॉर कभी भी होगा तो गवर्नमेंट को ये समझ में आया कि बायोलॉजिकल वॉर अगर होता है तो हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फॉर्मुलेशन इंडस्ट्री कितना भी स्ट्रांग है, लेकिन अगर एपीआई ही नहीं होगा तो व्हाट वी कैन डू. तो इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ने कई जगह पे एपीआई पार्क्स भी दिए हैं. और एपीआई जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है, एपीआई मींस एक्टिव फार्मा इंग्रेडिएंट्स, जो आपका फॉर्मुलेशन में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, तो उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट काफी बुलिश है, और गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारी सब्सिडी, टैक्स रिबेट और ये सब भी दिया है। तो ये डीप स्टडी का विषय है, और इन कंपनीज को हम अपने कोर पोर्टफोलियो में शामिल कर सकते हैं कुछ समय के लिए, अगर इनके ऊपर थोड़ा सा रिसर्च किया जाए तो।
Then these three are the stocks less than 300 crore, and this will create lot many panic in your mind. Either they will go 5% up or 5% low. So if you have the good digestion of stop loss, then you can go. Otherwise, if you see on the long chart, they are just moving in stage 2. Though the market cap and other things are very low, but I am seeing some good is happening in these three companies. So if you see the chart, monthly chart, they all are, the price volume is looking good actually here. So these are the very penny kind of stock. So be limited exposure to those. But since these stocks are in now stage 2, so these three stocks, first time I am sharing some penny stock, which is out of my rule. Actually, I am not trading in the penny stock, but sometimes multi-baggers came from the penny stocks also. So we can think for that also. So these three penny stocks I would share this time. Otherwise, rest all are the big companies where you can make position and you can ride peacefully. This is the new listed company. Process is high of the IPO, and now it is trading above. And again, this is from the pharma sector. On daily chart, it's look good. Now it is near to our superhero band and everything is there. Other parameter is also getting ready. Sucrose is proxy to auto sector in making N pattern. It is given a big move in a single day, then corrected, and now it is started again. Similar way, South Indian Bank, you can find some move, and it can give 10 to 50% of move here. So that's all from my side. Now, if anyone has any doubt or query or anything else that we can discuss, or if anyone want to share something, we are eager to learn.
Bhupender ji, I have a question, please. The reversal stocks, how many days you advise to hold it? Actually, is there anything specific like that, or yeah?
First thing is that there could be two things, like if reversal stocks are good fundamental stocks,
Yeah.
and the part of your core stocks, and you want to do addition in that particular stock, then you can just add. If it is a part of your long-term portfolio, and by a regular fall of the market, it comes down,
Yeah.
and now it is just giving reversal, and you were waiting for the correction,
Yeah.
and see, every fall will continue for some time, and then it will start to give reversal. So, for if you are looking for long term, then just add position
Yeah.
and hold it for long term. But if, as we discussed in the today's session also, those stocks are not having in your long term portfolio, and we are just trying to catch stocks when it just start to reverse. So then follow our hourly exit system and hourly entry system.
Okay. So as soon as it turns red, we'll have to sell it. No?
Yeah. But wait for the closing of the hourly candle.
Yeah. It's better to look at the 1 hour candle.
Yeah.
For daily charts.
For daily. So other parameters also need to check whether this the green cloud is above red cloud or not. Other things we need to check out.
Yeah.
And then we have to take a position.
Is there anything like the RSI above 60 or 65 is good to buy? Is it like something
that is always good, but in reversal stocks, we are normally trying to catch from the once RSI is started to move or give a reversal.
Yeah, okay.
So both the parameters we are capturing when we are getting some reversal in all the parameters on the hourly chart, we catch that stock.
Okay. Yeah, okay, very good. Thank you.
Bhuvendra, I mean, just to add on to what Ajit had said.
Yeah.
See, any possibility to kind of put in a fundamental score for these stocks, so that probably, I mean, it helps. I mean, maybe year-on-year growth, or maybe quarter-on-quarter growth, or something. Some fundamental score, if you can put it in the dashboard, then probably it may help people to kind of pick up basis the fundamentals also. I mean, reverse it clubbed with fundamentals.
Yeah, that actually fundamentals we have not checked, but the counts we are incorporating. We have shared some pictures also in the group. The count and other things we are already incorporating. That we can check if fundamental parameters we can add. Maybe just check with Raju if we can incorporate that.
सर मैं बता देता हूँ सर उसका कि फंडामेंटल स्कोर्स जो है वो हम लाइव जो डैशबोर्ड है उसमें नहीं ऐड कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसके पीछे रीजन क्या आ रहा है कि अगर हम ये इतने सारा डेटा उसके ऊपर अपलोड कर देते तो इट्स बिकम वेरी स्लो और रिजल्ट जो है बहुत पुअर हो जाते हैं। तो फंडामेंटल डैशबोर्ड जो है वो आपको बैक टेस्टिंग के साथ एक अलग से डैशबोर्ड मिलेगा जिसमें जो स्टॉक्स आएंगे, लेकिन वो एंड ऑफ द डे अपडेट होंगे केवल, क्योंकि लाइव इतना सारा डेटा रेगुलर रन करने के लिए बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज चाहिए जो सर्वर पे पॉसिबल नहीं है।
ओके जीपी।
हाँ, उसके लिए हम एंड ऑफ द डे डैशबोर्ड दे रहे हैं, मतलब ईओडी करके एक डैशबोर्ड उसमें साथ में रहेगा। जो डैशबोर्ड आपका पास है वही आप ईओडी चेक करेंगे तो वहां पे आपको डिटेल्स, इवन आपको डिलीवरी की, बल्क डील्स की और ये सारी डिटेल्स भी हम ऐड करने जा रहे हैं। बट इट इज ओनली पॉसिबल एंड ऑफ द डे, नॉट इन लाइव मार्केट।
ओके ओके।
अच्छा, इसमें किसी एक स्क्रीन में हम लोग पोजीशन लेते हैं, उसके बाद वो स्टॉक उसमें से गायब हो जाता है,
यस सर।
तो हाउ टू इंटरप्रिटेट दैट?
नहीं, स्टॉक गायब होता है, कौन सी स्क्रीन की बात कर रहे हैं सर?
जैसे पहले 3-4 दिन पहले टाटा पावर आया था
कौन सी स्क्रीन में?
ओवरबॉट में,
यस सर।
फिर 2 दिन ही रहा, आज फिर दिख रहा है।
जी
पहले अदानी इंटरप्राइज भी आया था
जी।
और कभी कभी तो इसमें भी होता है अपना चैंपियन रिवर्सल में भी।
Okay, let me explain, sir. As the stocks will meet our requirement, it will appear in the screen. As soon as the requirement or the stock price and volume and various parameters is come out of that particular condition, stock will automatically go out of that from that screen. And whenever you are finding any stock in overbought, means you need not to buy that stocks. Actually, overbought screen is suggesting you to sell it out.
वो मैंने
तो
सेट किया इसके लिए ही, तो फिर वो 2 दिन गायब हो गया, इसके लिए आई वरीड के।
But then you have to track, as we discussed in the morning, just on the hourly chart. Trade unless and until you are not getting it reverse, you can trail your position. If you sell the future, you
नहीं,
just take that position of future unless and until it gives reverse and closing above our superhero band.
तो इसका ओवरबॉट अपना वो जो नीचे जो ये रिवर्सल जोन है, वहां से उसका रिवर्स होने का चांस रहेगा क्या?
सर मैं एंट्री और एग्जिट का तरीका बता दूं सर उसमें?
हाँ, मैं शेयर करता हूँ।
Ridesh, my suggestion is if you're shorting futures, suggestion is not to hold it too long.
नहीं
इंट्राडे में क्लोज कर दो पोजीशंस।
मैं अपना होल्डिंग सॉल्व किया था, मेरे पास था, तो उसके बाद वो गायब हो गया। देन आई थॉट, अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि इट इज अबाउट टू टर्न अराउंड।
स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रहा है? हेलो?
यस,
मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर?
हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ।
अरे यार,
ठीक है सर। उसमें ट्रेड करने का तरीका ये है कि जब स्टॉक मान लीजिए रैमको सीमेंट है, तो जो ओवरबॉट एंड इंट्राडे जो है वो ओनली फॉर इंट्राडे पर्पज है।
अच्छा, इट
और
इज
उनका जो हाँ, एंट्री क्राइटेरिया जो है वो ये है सर कि आपको 15 मिनट का चार्ट लगाना है, एंड 15 मिनट के चार्ट पे जो पहला कैंडल है 9:15 का, यानी कि 19 जुलाई में हमने ट्रेड किया है, First candle was this. This was the first candle, right sir?
हाँ
ठीक है सर। अब इसको आपको जो सेल करना है वो इसके बिलो करना है, यानी कि जो आपको 915 वाला कैंडल क्लोज हो 930 पे, उसमें एंट्री यहाँ पे मिली, और जो स्टॉप लॉस है दैट इज अबाउ दिस। तो आपको रिस्क रिवॉर्ड भी समझना है कि रिस्क रिवॉर्ड आपका फेवरेबल है नहीं। जैसे अगर आप फ्यूचर का लोड कर रहे हैं तो 784 आई थिंक 785 के आसपास आपका स्टॉप लॉस था, और यहाँ 775 पे 10 पॉइंट्स का आपका स्टॉप लॉस था, और 1:2 का आपको ट्रेड लेना है उसमें, या आपकी पोजीशन में जब सुपर हीरो बैंड के ऊपर अगर स्टॉक क्लोजिंग दे देता है तब। तो इस केस में यहाँ से लेके और यहाँ तक का आपको मूव मिला है 766 का, 775 से 767, उसके बाद एक बुलिश कैंडल बनी और आपका स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ पे हिट हो गया इस कैंडल के मूवमेंट पे। तो ऑलमोस्ट अगर आप देखें तो इसमें आपका जो लॉस हुआ वो 775 हुआ। मतलब कहने का ये है कि जो फर्स्ट 15 मिनट का कैंडल है उसके नीचे आपको प्राइस जब आता है तब सेल करना है, और 1:2 का रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रखना है, और जो स्टॉप लॉस होगा दैट विल बी द हाई ऑफ द फर्स्ट 15 मिनट कैंडल। और एग्जिट के दो क्राइटेरिया हैं, या तो 1:2 रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशो आपको मिल रहा है तो आप अपना स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करिए, अदरवाइज आप जब भी सुपर हीरो बैंड के ऊपर क्लोजिंग देगा तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस, ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया।
got it.
That's what- Any doubt?
नहीं नहीं हो गया सर, थैंक यू।
ठीक है, और सेम सेम कंडीशन जो है सर वो इंट्राडे उसके लिए है, बाइंग के लिए। जैसे अगर हम बात करें टीटीएमएल की, then 15 minute candle was this, buy above this, same condition, and stop loss is this.
अच्छा मैंने 959
आपने यहाँ पे एंट्री किया और इसके बाद आपको एग्जिट यहाँ पे मिल गया, तो स्टिल योर पोजीशन वाज इन प्रॉफिट।
नहीं ठीक है, बट ये 930 के मैंने 930 का कैंडल में जो डिसीजन लेना है उसी समय लेना है।
Yes, sir.
915 वाला कैंडल 930 को जो क्लोज होगा, अगर सेलिंग कर रहे हैं तो उसके नीचे सेल करना है, और अगर बाइंग कर रहे हैं तो उसके ऊपर बाइंग करना है।
अच्छा है।
Right, sir?
इसका लेकिन वो अपना जो रिवर्सल जोन है उसमें तो इसको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है ना कि वहाँ
स्क्रीन केवल आपको स्टॉक सिलेक्शन दे रही है बस।
नहीं, अपन जो रिवर्सल जोन में जो देखने का है कि वो हिट करेगा कि नहीं, ये सब।
रिवर्सल जोन जो इंडिकेटर वो स्कैनर है दैट इज फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग, स्विंग ट्रेड के लिए है।
नहीं मेरा क्वेश्चन इंडिकेटर से है, अगर ये नीचे रिवर्सल जोन में टच कर रहा है या ऊपर कर रहा है
जी,
तो वो चीज मैंने क्राइटेरिया देखना है कि नहीं एंट्री करने से पहले वो।
हाँ सर देखिए, यहाँ जो 18 तारीख वाला कैंडल था ये 915 का कैंडल क्लोज हुआ 82 पे, और 82 से आपको एग्जिट जो मिला वो यहाँ पे आके मिला, और इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग 19 जुलाई तो आपका जो एंट्री था दैट वाज ऑन 103, और जो एग्जिट आपको मिला दैट वाज ऑन 105। एंट्री एंड एग्जिट क्राइटेरिया हमारे सेम है, चाहे आप 15 मिनट कैंडल पे कर रहे हैं, डे पे कर रहे हैं, आर्ली पे कर रहे हैं, वीकली पे कर रहे हैं, मंथली पे कर रहे हैं। Once stock close below the superhero band and superhero band turns red, then your exit is triggered.
And if you are doing the short, once your superhero band turns green, exit.
Just opposite the buying.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Govind sir, आप ले लीजिए।
Yeah.
Is it possible to check rail?
Ajit ji, your voice is not.
Sorry. Is it possible to check tax rail? Is it right time to buy it?
The railway is giving reversal since last 2-3 days, but again it is not sustaining.
Uh-huh.
But most of the railway stocks, I'm just monitoring these two sectors separately, the railway and defense.
Textile.
Yeah, textile is in green. This is the chart. So it is making N pattern. We can say it is making N pattern. It took support to the last low.
You're checking
And
the
this is
daily
waste
chart.
of-
Okay. 1 hour chart is showing actually green.
Yeah. So
Yes.
you can take position. The railway sector I'm selling last 2-3 days, and since last 2-3 days, all these stocks are trading above, and then suddenly this giving something like right side share, right
Uh-huh.
was here right share, then suddenly it goes up again. So it is
So,
going like that.
it's all taking support at 724. Huh?
Yeah.
So 720 above 724. Maybe it's better to buy it. Isn't it?
So we see on the daily chart, most of the stocks are just making double or triple bottom. This stock is continuously taking support at this point since last many days.
Maybe it is better to enter it after the budget.
Yeah. Similar way, textile is also taking support at this point since last 3-4 candles. So most of the stocks are taking support at the same point. All the railway stocks are having the same kind of setup.
Yeah.
But Bhupendra, which will be 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3 is if you see this Titagarh is showing some good results. Actually, some this it is took support of one new indicator which I have not teach anyone, but it took the support of this FPG. FPG was at 1590. From that particular point, it is started to reverse. But still, I am not sure on the fundamental or the working of that particular indicator. But this is seems good according to that. Titagarh. From exact from that particular point. But if it will not sustain, then there could be readiness for this bottom point of this also. So 1510 also is possible according to that particular angle. But still, I am practicing this indicator and not sure when to take right position. Hence, I am not sharing with any one of you. But according to that, it is just took support from that particular point of the top of this, and it is taking reversal. So there are possibility that this stock can move fast. Okay.
Can you check BHEL? BHEL actually they are getting lot of they are going to get lot of orders.
We are continuously getting orders, but the same thing is here. Now it is not reverse. Then the next support is here at 275. It is breached all these FPGs. So from which FPGs it will reverse? It is a questionable marks. It is closing below its 50 EMA also, because this last line of this superhero band is 60 EMA. So it is near to its 60 EMA also on the daily chart.
It can
If it return from this point or this point will be a question mark. So either it may reverse from this 275 mark or it may reverse from 259 marks. After that, there is no any FPG. And whenever it will reverse, this FPG will work as a resistance. So T1 will always work as a resistance. Now it is not reversed from here, so there are possibilities.
Yeah, okay.
And can you just check HAL and Hindalco also, Bhupendra ji?
HL just at the end of the day, some movement was there. So a very small wick is there, and it is just at the last support. After that, the next support is coming here.
HCL सर tomorrow जो है गैप अप दे सकता है क्योंकि कल कुछ न्यूज आया आफ्टर मार्केट
Correct.
HCL के बारे में.
Right.
Good news or
Good news.
वो
गुड न्यूज में
नहीं
मैं छोटा सा ऑर्डर मिला, मे बी अराउंड 2500 ऑर्डर्स ऐसा कुछ ऑर्डर मिला है, बट देन कंपेयर टू देयर मार्केट वैल्यू, आई मीन इट्स काइंड ऑफ मिनिस्क्यूल ऑर्डर. पता नहीं, आई मीन इट्स बीन फॉलिंग कंटिन्यूअसली, और नीचे गिरेगा पता नहीं.
Every dip is a buying opportunity in HL.
सर सेम थिंग डेटा पैटर्न भी देखोगे आप.
प्रॉफिट आधा रह गया था.
It just took support on this, and the price volume action is there. Flag and angle is there, so possibility is there, and it took support here. Now it is not closing below it since long there. It's going up, taking support, and again move. The possibility is there, and the price volume is also there. So we
Probably
can
we can take anything above yesterday's closing price. If it's going over, I mean, maybe even by 1 point, I think we can take entry, and the close of yesterday's candle can be a stop loss.
yes, because since last 2 days it is making the same bottom, or we can see the many bottoms at the same point.
Volume looks good.
Yeah, see, it is just taking support at this particular point. So this point could be your 3124 could be your stop loss. Even though if you took this 3124 as a closing basis, is good. So hardly 1.5% risk is there.
हाँ सर, मुझे एक चीज पूछना था. जैसे सर हम किसी शेयर के मतलब फंडामेंटल देखते हैं, तो जैसे उसमें FII DI की होल्डिंग नहीं है, लेकिन उसका रिटर्न वगैरह अच्छा है, तो क्या ऐसे शेयर को अवॉइड करना चाहिए या फिर क्या करना चाहिए?
The FII and DII normally start to buy when market cap of that particular stock become more than 2,000 or 5,000 crore. They are not coming when the market cap is 300 crore or 400 crore. So whatever stocks you are looking, if the market is big enough, and even though FII, DII are not there, then it is a point of concern. बट अगर वो 2000 करोड़ से नीचे का कंपनी है तो डेफिनेटली देयर आर चांसेस यू विल नॉट गेट FII DII देयर, बिकॉज उनका DII के लिए तो कुछ नॉर्म्स होते हैं, तो उनको वो नॉर्म्स फुलफिल करना होता है, बिकॉज पब्लिक का पैसा है, तो दे कैन नॉट पुट दैट मनी एनीवेयर. तो FII एंड DII के लिए वो पॉइंट रहेगा.
सर एक शेयर है सर, डायना कॉन सिस्टम एंड सॉल्यूशन लिमिटेड.
क्या डायना
DONS कॉन्स.
DSSL बड़ा इधोटिक चार्ट है उसका. If you have good patience, then hold it on monthly.
Not for short term trading.
Yes, monthly
सर
chart.
यदि मैं 2-3 महीने की मतलब 2-3 साल के लिए रखना चाहूँ तो ठीक रहेगा?
रख सकते.
2-3 साल का गारंटी कोई नहीं लेता. आपका एग्जिट सिस्टम डिफाइन कर लो. आप एंट्री किधर ले रहे हो. एंट्री आपको मंथली चार्ट पे नियर टू सुपर हीरो बैंड लेना है, और जिस मंथ में वो उसके नीचे क्लोज देते निकल जाना.
ओके सर.
We don't have surety for tomorrow. How we can be sure for the 2 years? So define your exit strategy.
One more thing सर, जो इस माइक्रो कैप्स हैं और इनको सर मंथली पे ट्रेल किया सकते हैं, क्योंकि वॉलेटिलिटी इतनी ज्यादा होती है. डे चार्ट पे आप इनकी वॉलेटिलिटी आपको फील कर देगी. Even not favorable on weekly.
Even weekly will also like that only.
ये गलती हमसे एडवेट में हुई है सर. सर एडवेट का चार्ट खोलेंगे सर?
भूपेंद्र, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्रीन लाइन क्या है आपका इसमें?
Which one sir? This
हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्रीन लाइन मींस कि वॉल्यूम एंड जो RSI है, देयर वाज अ जंप ऑफ 25%.
No, Rajkumar sir is asking for this. Correct, Rajkumar sir?
हाँ, हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्रीन लाइन.
ये सर
That is one
FCG
indicator I am working on, sir. Soon we will discuss that indicator. Still things are going on.
चलो ठीक है, मतलब सस्पेंस में कुछ है?
सस्पेंस में कुछ नहीं है सर.
ऑलवेज सस्पेंस इन सस्पेंस. सर
तो ये-
एडवेट खोलिए सर, मंथली चार्ट, डेली चार्ट में। देखिए सर, इसको सर मैंने 670 पे मैंने एंट्री किया हुआ है इस कैंडल पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ 670 पे मैंने इसमें एंट्री किया हुआ है, यहाँ इससे नीचे वाले पे।
इसमें यहाँ पे हुआ था,
और
ये तो लिया था
1300 पे
11।
मैंने 1300 पे मैंने इससे एग्जिट किया था। तो मेरे को ये समझ में आया कि ये माइक्रो कैप जो है आपको मंथली पे ही प्ले करने चाहिए।
No
मंथली
exit
चार्ट पे
on
देखिए, इसने अभी तक कोई एक भी सिंगल एग्जिट नहीं दिया। अगर मैं इसे मंथली ट्रेल कर रहा होता तो आई वॉज इन सुपर प्रॉफिट नाउ।
similar. If you
500
see,
stocks.
even Indotech, if you see whatever we are running with 50% now, is also in the same scenario. If you go with daily chart, you can have multiple entry exit. So
You
just
cannot
buy and
close.
forget kind of things. Just trail on the monthly. Now its monthly exit is become above our buy price. We bought on
एंड
1400.
विद स्ट्रिक्ट स्टॉप लॉस।
Yes.
आप उतना स्टॉप लॉस ले सकते हैं मंथली पे। जैसे कि अगर आप एडवेट में आज की डेट में ट्रेड करते हैं तो योर स्टॉप लॉस इज अराउंड 1673, ऑलमोस्ट 600 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस है।
Stop loss has become almost
कैन ओनली
25%.
एंटर।
Or whatever stocks you are getting, just try to catch stocks on daily chart near to superhero band, and then start follow on the monthly chart. If you are sure on the fundamental of those stocks, like DSSL, so in daily chart it is very difficult to digest this stock. Even intraday is also risky in this kind of stock. One day it is giving a big candle, then suddenly all the volume is getting wiped out. On monthly, you can peacefully run this kind of things.
यस
भूपेंद्र जी, मैं वोल टाइम लेके बैठा हूँ, एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट ट्रांसफर कंपनीज विल डूइंग बेटर इन फ्यूचर। वोल टाइम
Then Endotech will become next Voltem for sure.
सर, स्टिल देयर इज नो एग्जिट ऑन मंथली।
No exit, sir. Still this good on.
भूपेंद्र सर, एक क्वेश्चन था, SCI वर्सेस GRSC, विच इज मोर बुलिश
CI.
वर्सेस GRSC गार्डन रीच? दोनों डिफेंस की शिपिंग की हैं।
SCI is not from the shipping, na.
It's
SCI
They are into the
shipping corporation of India।
transportation, na.
Shipping Corporation of India, but it is not actually defense, I think.
It is not
हाँ,
related
no,
to defense. Actually,
sorry,
they
sorry।
are into the. They are kind of shipping companies which just ship the material from one side to another side. And this
Transport, sorry।
DRSC and Mazdog, Cochin, and one more GE shipping. These four are the similar kind of things.
Mazdog,
Yeah, Mazdog, Cochin shipyard,
sorry, yeah, and GE shipping also।
GE shipping, and GRSC. There are four companies which are into the manufacturing of ship, and this is shipping corporation is just doing the business of shipping, like others. This logistic
Logistic.
companies are logistic business.
Logistic,
Actually, these are into
logistic.
the logistic business.
ओके ओके सर,
And
इसका एक बार
actually,
चार्ट देखेंगे, इज इट बुलिश और शुड वी
see,
होल्ड इट?
actually, this was happened because of some news of disinvestment. So this shipping corporation on long chart is always good to hold because it's ultimately a PSU company. But every time, whenever there is a news of disinvestment of this company, the stock used to give circuit 2-3 circuit, then it is getting consolidated. But if you are having this in your portfolio, no need to worry. They are
Okay,
providing
thank
good kind of this dividend and other things. And again, now they are actually disinvested their land assets separately. So if you have the stocks prior to that, then you must have the land asset shares also with your you in your portfolio. Or you bought after that demerger. When your position was
Yeah, sir, actually I got some SCI LL also।
okay, then your buy price will be average out, and ultimately it is going to be in stage 2 of 10.
Bhavendra ji, can you just check Hindalco also? Not sure. Most of the metals have come down the last.
Actually, entire
Yesterday.
metal index is falling.
I'm traveling, so the network may not be good.
It is already given exit on the day chart also. So buying put is a good opportunity here. And
Okay.
even this EMA 60 also thought. If you see now this CNX metal index, it is giving great shape actually. One weekly also it is make a bearish engulfing and falling thing.
So which means, I mean, ideally, I mean, in case if you're holding Hindalco,
Yeah.
the close of the previous candle can be the stop loss. You can put the stop loss and forget.
Yes.
If it's reversing, let it reverse. Else, let it get exited.
Yes.
Okay.
So what should we do in BSC and CDSL? Because it is
BSC is continuously in downtrend. But it is taking support somewhere here. At the last FPG at this point. From where it is started to move. Then all this red
long term
will
के लिए
work as
रखना
a
चाहिए.
now it is
Long term
taking
के लिए
support
इसको
here or it is getting consolidated on here. So you can wait for some time if it is break this particular point. Then exit. If you are in a big loss, then okay to exit. Keeping loser for long term also one diluting your or providing you will miss many opportunities which are coming and it will also drain your money. So better if you are in a big loss, prefer to exit.
But Bhupendra ji, suppose BSC mein I am sitting at profit.
Okay.
So it is better to get out and use the money than come back again.
Even sir on weekly chart also it is. Monthly chart also I think it is now given exit. Or you can wait till the end of the month. See, on the monthly chart it is started from here. Now on monthly chart also it is given an exit. So either you can wait till the end of the month. If close is happening below this line, it is okay to exit and we can again re-enter when the trend will start.
So Bhupendra ji, suppose I am sitting at profit, so I can book the profit and re-enter afterwards.
Yes.
Use the money somewhere else.
Yes. Because on monthly chart also now it is giving exit. Weekly it is given exit long back. On monthly also this month it is giving exit. So we can exit or if want 6-7 trading sessions are there. If it is close above it's okay. Otherwise you may lose something more.
Can you please check Orchid Pharma is in right time to enter?
CDSL is still good. Actually not given exit on the monthly. Weekly also it is moving along with the superhero band. So no tension in CDSL.
Orchid Pharma.
The two candidate is. If you have patience, just wait till this position. But always prefer to buy near to superhero band. Now it's okay to buy, or you can buy small quantity. It will again come near to our superhero band. If you see the long-term chart, it is very strong.
Yeah.
On short-term chart, as we discussed in various charts, you will get such in out many times. So either buy and forget, or buy 50% at the extended level, then average down in such scenario when again this stock is start to consolidate, buy more. And then wait on the monthly chart peacefully.
Yeah.
So it is just turning green actually. And once this FEG will close, then there will not be any resistance, then it will directly move up to 2600. So this top of this, to be precise, 1380. Closing above 1380 will lead it directly to 2600.
Yeah, better to wait for crossing it, isn't it?
You can make some position, but then it will move very fast. And if you see the last 6-7 months,
Yeah,
under,
yeah,
price
yeah,
will-
yeah.
so accumulation is happening.
Okay, okay. So it's better to make a small position than
Yeah.
ride it.
Right. Or
Okay,
you can do SIP also. X amount of share every
Hmm.
month.
okay.
So it will average down your risk also. As we do SIP in our mutual fund, similarly you can do here also. You can fix a date. You
Yeah.
have to do the regular transaction and do average at that particular date.
Mhm.
But it is going to be blast.
Sure.
This volume is very high. Whatever
Yeah.
volume was not happen in its
Hmm.
life was
Yeah.
happen in these 3 months.
Mhm.
So some big investors
Some,
here.
yeah, big investors are buying it now.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it's better to have a position there. Huh?
Yeah. Or you can keep this as a stop loss 948 because at this particular point
Uh-huh.
from here it is given breakout. That is the line of that only.
So that should be our stop loss.
Yeah. And then again and again it is taking so on the monthly closing basis 948.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, Rajkumar sir. Anyone? Any doubt?
Eh,
सर मैंने आपसे एक उसका और पूछा था, दौलत एल्गो टेक का।
सर
1 minute. बोले
सर ये सुधाकर सर का एक क्वेश्चन है, ये इसके लिए कि जो फ्लैग्स एंड वायर है उसको एक बार बता दीजिए, बार बार आ रहा है।
now what is your intention Bharat on dollar telco tech? What is, see again this stock is same as we have discussed DSSL. On daily chart it will a panic stock. On monthly chart it's peaceful, right? तो आपका पोजीशन किधर है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. अगेन दिस स्टॉक विल करेक्ट, अगेन इट विल बाउंस.
तो अभी पोजीशन लिया नहीं है, पोजीशन अभी लिया नहीं है।
Then wait for the entry.
Wait for the right entry. It is on daily chart also it is in down.
हाँ तो सर मैं ऐसे वीक पे एंट्री लूँ, वीक पे मेरे हिसाब से ठीक रहेगा ना?
वीक पे भी एग्जिट है अभी.
हाँ मतलब वीक पे एंट्री यदि आती है तो वीक पे लूँ?
यस. इसमें आपको अच्छा क्या लगा इस स्टॉक में, ताकि हम सबको भी जानने को तो मिलेगा ना. व्हाट इज यू लाइक इन दिस कंपनी एंड व्हाई यू वांट टू एंटर इन दिस डॉलर तेलुगु टेक?
सर अभी मैंने इसमें कुछ भी मतलब ज्यादा रिसर्च नहीं करा है, बस
ओके.
जब मैं थोड़ा देख लूंगा तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा जरूर।
ठीक है, चलो.
ठीक है।
या जेपी क्या था डाउट?
ये सुधाकर सर को जो फ्लैग्स और आ रहे हैं सर, ये सेटअप नहीं आ रहा उनके सुपर हीरो में।
आज मॉर्निंग का जो सेशन है ना उसका रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर दी. सेटअप इज वेरी सिंपल. सुधाकर जी, गो टू द सेटिंग पोर्शन, गो टू द स्टाइल सेक्शन. स्टाइल्स में जो शेप है, फर्स्ट शेप को आपको फ्लैग सिलेक्ट करना है और अबव द बार सिलेक्ट करना है और नीचे वाला सेम रखना है और उसको बाय डिफॉल्ट सेट कर देना है. डन. ओके.
यस सर.
This recording you're saving somewhere?
यू विल गेट ऑन यूट्यूब. जेपी मॉर्निंग का सेशन भी अपलोड करना है और ये वाला.
ठीक है सर, आज ही कर दूंगा.
वो नया डैशबोर्ड कब लॉन्च हो रहा है सर?
वो कब तक मिलेगा रिकॉर्डिंग?
सर वो डैशबोर्ड सेम है, थोड़ा सा उसमें टेस्टिंग चल रहा है कि कोई डेटा में मिसमैच तो नहीं आ रहा. मे बी ऑन नेक्स्ट वीक.
Next week, okay.
So can we close? or anyone has any doubt?
होल पोर्टफोलियो का कब से करेंगे सर, कब हो जाएगा आपका?
कोर पोर्टफोलियो का लिस्ट दिया है ना सबको?